Public health is important as it ensures everyone is aware of health hazards. People should maintain to be healthy, improve their health and well-being of their health by taking seriously precautions of public health. The environmental health also be important to maintain people and their environment safe when doing lifestyle together. Nowadays, the spread of the dreaded and potentially deadly COVID-19 virus has caused a worldwide pandemic, hitting hard and putting at risk the global economy and overwhelming public and private healthcare facilities everywhere. Furthermore, there are new variants of COVID-19 which are Delta and Omicron. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the disease and how the virus spreads. By washing hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently also can prevent the virus spread. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to honorable judges and beloved friends. Today we are going to present our IDP project entitled Two-in-One Automatic Body Temperature and Hand Sanitizer Using Sensor. First of all, I would like to introduce our IDP project team. My name is NURUL AQILAH BINTI MAHMUDIN. Along with me today are my teammates Muhammad FIKRI bin MOKHTAR, Muhammad NURHALIM bin AHMAD HASNI, Muhammad HAIDI SYAZWAN bin HARMAN, and Muhammad Halimi Isma bin Muhammad GHANISMA. Our project supervisor is Encik Fauzi bin Abdul Wahab. Nowadays, human health is one of the public concerns that impact of the infection on the economy and society. The spread of the COVID-19 disease through close contact which are air and touch. The current outbreak of the COVID-19 virus in Malaysia, like the amount of people dead due to COVID-19 reaching up to 31,000 people due to lack of precautions taken. People always forget to do both body temperature checking and sanitize when entering a public places. People is sick or dead after infected from COVID-19 if they not take precautions seriously. So, we create a project to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 disease through contact, especially with touch. We also make it easier for people not to forget and use sanitizer more often. We also create a project to avoid the occurrence wastage of sanitizer.
Okay, I will present the methodology of this project. Okay, so for this project, we use the material, and this is the list of the material of this project. Okay, first, for the processor, we use Arduino Uno for this project, and then we use MLX 90614 non-contact infrared temperature sensor. The sensor to scan the body, the temperature. For infrared sensor module, the function is to detect the object. Okay, for servo motor, we use to pull the hand sanitizer, and then we have jumper wires. For power supply, we use adapter 5 volt, and then LCD to display the temperature after we scan the body, and then strip board for circuit, and then resistor, LED, and then buzzer. Alright, next. Okay, this is the block diagram for this project. As we can see, for input in this project, we MLX 90614 temperature sensor. Okay, second infrared sensor, and then power supply 5 volt. Okay, Arduino is the processor, and for the output, LCD display, LED, servo motor, buzzer. Okay, Next.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURHALIM and I will explain the flowchart of our project. First, the Arduino will start running the MLS temperature sensor, and then the MLS sensor will detect the temperature of our body. If the temperature is above the normal, which is 37 degree, so the LED red will turn on, buzzer will on, and LCD will display the temperature of our body. So when the temperature is below the normal, which is below the 37 degree, so the LED green will turn on, buzzer on, and LCD will display the temperature. And then if the temperature is below the normal, then we can proceed to the infrared. The infrared will detect the object, which is our hand, to detect the object. If the object is detected, the servo motor will turn on and pull the sanitizer. If no object detected, it will return to begin the sensor. Then this is our simulation. As you can see this figure, it's Uno connect the buzzer, LED green, LED red. This is infrared sensor. So this is MLS 90614, and this is LCD display.
So now I will explain to you the function of each component. Servo motor, the function is to allow and stop the flow of hand sanitizer from flowing. Arduino Uno is the heart of the hardware, which works as the main part to operate this hardware and read all the input. Buzzer, a buzzer works as audio signaling device that will sound beep if the sensor detects any temperature. LCD display work as a display that will display the temperature of the body. Temperature sensor will sense any body temperature that is near the sensor. LED work as an indicator to know whether the temperature is below 37 degrees Celsius or above 37 degrees Celsius. If the sensor detects temperature below 37 degrees Celsius, the green LED will light up. If the temperature is above 37 degrees Celsius, the red LED will light up. Ultrasonic sensor to detect any presence of approaching hand and allow the servo motor to operate. Hand sanitizer storage to store the liquid of hand sanitizer.
Okay, now I will explain about the demonstration of the hardware. So this is our hardware project, which is 2-in-1 body temperature and hand sanitizer. Okay, so we can see here, this is our project, which is 2-in-1 automatic body temperature and hand sanitizer. So in front we can see at the top is infrared thermometer temperature. The specific name is MLX 90614, which is used as input, is connect as input, used to scan our temperature body. So this is we get LCD display here. The function is to display our body temperature reading. Over here we have two LED, which is green and red color. So the green one will light up when the temperature is reading is below 37 Celsius. And red will light up when the temperature exceeds 37 Celsius. So we can see here, this is a hole for the adapter that we use the adapter 12 volt as a power supply to connect with Arduino Uno. to active the circuit and the coding for the component. Here we get the infrared sensor. The function is after people scan their body temperature, they must to put their hand at the infrared sensor, so this component will detect the object, so the servo motor will turn move 90 degree and push the bottle of hand sanitizer to provide the hand sanitizer automatically. Inside here we got all the component part. So here is the servo motor, buzzer, that one is Arduino Uno. At the below we get the infrared sensor, and this two is LED, and that one is adapter. So the last one is the bottle, which is the storage of hand sanitizer.
So as the conclusion, this device helps to prevent the spread of COVID-19 disease through contact. It is also to alert people to the importance of taking care of health and environment. Therefore, the main idea of this paper is to design a simple, multifunctional device that has high sensitivity and can sense the temperature of human. Alright, that's all. Thank you.